So as you know the topic, reveal the topic. Again, good morning class. Tense, we have to know the tense. So in grammar book, each and every book, wherever you go just long rule is written there. But we don't have to learn rules. Again, I am telling you the tense, the soul of grammar. आत्मा होती है ना शरीर की, तो अगर हम इस सोल को जानते हैं, we can do active voice, passive voice, we can do narration, we can write anything, we can talk in English. So this one, again I am telling you three type of tenses actually. First one is present, second one is past, and third one is future. ये तो this is the base, this thing we all know. So present having four, past having four, and future having four. Suppose three brothers are there, तीन भाई हैं, तीनों के four sons हैं, like indefinite, continuous, perfect, perfect continuous. So we will not study like that through like the book. I will tell you something in the another manner. Now see the formula basis. First of all, I will write indefinite, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous. So present continuous. First of all, write present continuous, past continuous, and future indefinite. Present indefinite, past indefinite, and future indefinite. The three indefinite in a row. Again, the three continuous in a row. Present, past, and future. Okay. And again, same like present perfect, past perfect, future perfect. And in the last again, present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, and future perfect. So first of all, take this. Now only few things, two things we have to know, only two things you have to know, and the whole from the whole universe any sentence is coming, you can tell the sentence type, tense type, and this is the most important thing. This is the base of your grammar, this is the base of your English. If you can define the sentence type, the tense type, so the English will be very easy for you, because without finding the sentence type we can't change anything. Suppose we have to change into passive, we have to change narration, how it is easy? Is it possible? No. Without knowing the sentence type we go for change? No. So first of all, know how to find the sentence type or tense type. So see, present indefinite, two things, helping verb and main verb we have to know only. Okay, helping verb of present indefinite is do or does. Verb first form plus s or es के साथ. And like formula we have to learn again, past में do or does किसका did. अब जब did use करते हैं तो first form, यानी when the sentence will be interrogative or negative, we put first form of the verb with the did. Otherwise main verb में हमेशा second form आता है. Future में will और shall होगा और verb का first form होगा. So this is the present, this is the all indefinite collection. Now see this. इसको ऐसे याद करेंगे और इजी वे में. Is, am, are, past continuous, was, were, future continuous, will be, shall be, and all three contains V4 या जिसको आप ing form of the verb. And I have not taken a book. You don't have to take the book also. When you explain this, I will tell you the synopsis finger concept also. When you go for learn, when you go for revise, never take a book, never learn it. Again, has and have. See, present perfect, has, have. Past perfect, had. And last one, will have and shall have. And all three contains third form of the verb. Now in the last you go when, very simple, has been, have been, this one, had been, last one, will have been, and shall have been, and again V4 plus timing. Okay, now see how to learn, how to explain. First of all, see this structure. So on a finger concept, first of all, indifferent, continuous, perfect, perfect continuous. So I will explain firstly indifferent, and you have to learn like this also, fix in mind. So listen carefully. Finger concept, present indifferent. Do does, first form of the verb. Do come with the plural form, does come with the singular subject. S और yes कब लगेगा? When the subject will be singular. Clear हो गए? Past indefinite, same in the formula like past indefinite did, help main verb second form, but when we use did in the interrogative or negative, we put first form of the verb. जैसे I went to market, तो मैं बाजार गया. Went is the second form. Immediately you can say this is a past indefinite, but you have to change into negative interrogative. Then you can say I did not go to market. Clear? Future indefinite, he or she will go to market. तो will और shall के साथ first form of the verb आएगा. अब आते हैं continuous की बात करते हैं. इस तरीके से लर्न करिए. Present continuous is am are, past continuous was were, future continuous will be shall be, and all three contains ing form. ठीक है. Perfect की बात करते हैं. Present perfect has had, past perfect had, future perfect will have, shall have, and all three contains third form of the verb. Present perfect continuous will have has been, have been, past perfect continuous had been, future perfect continuous will have been, shall have been, and all three contains verb 4 यानी ing form plus timing. Timing में क्या? जैसे 2 घंटे 2 बजे से 1947 से. तो if the time is fixed, point of time, then we use since. If the time is not fixed, period of time is given, एक खंडकाल दिया गया है, कालखंड है, अवधि है, then we use what? For. I hope the whole tense is clear. And how much time it has taken? Only few minutes. Within a few minutes, not a minutes actually, within a few seconds you are explaining now. So always learn like that the concept, and if the tense is clear, believe me, you're the next topic, voice, narration, story, later, everything will be easy without any doubt. Okay, now let's see some example also. I will tell you, just hold on. Now this, the things I have explained here, this is called rule. तो ये तो आपको समझ में आया. Simply you can learn helping verb, main verb, two things only, helping verb, main verb, helping verb, main verb. So I will give you some example. Suppose I am writing here, I write a letter. He went to the school. Ram had gone to market. So see this, मैंने तो सिर्फ 3 लिया है. In the books lot of examples are there, so you can take the examples and be the perfect like that. अपने आप से करिए. See, not so much. ये सेंटेंस मुझे दिखा, सीधा मैंने देखा. Okay, now this one. वर्ब का फर्स्ट फॉर्म है, SRES नहीं है क्योंकि ये प्लूरल है. तो this is called, ये हमने कहाँ पढ़ा? वर्ब फर्स्ट फॉर्म SRES ऑप्शन होता है with the present indefinite. क्लियर हो गए? इसको देखिए. He went, देखते बता दिया मैंने. सेकंड फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब, पास्ट इंडिफरेंट. इफ इट इज रिटन दिस वन, he did not go to school. Now see this, did not, जैसे ही did आया फर्स्ट फॉर्म हो गया. थर्ड वन, Ram had gone to market. ओके, had के साथ थर्ड फॉर्म किस में आता है? पास्ट परफेक्ट में. So basically I didn't learn. मैंने याद नहीं किया है. Now you have to learn. याद नहीं करना है. Again I am telling this. Don't go for learn. Only concept should be clear. Present इंडिफरेंट के तीनों एक साथ, कॉन्टिन्यूअस के तीनों एक साथ, परफेक्ट के तीनों एक साथ, परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूअस के एक साथ. अगेन आई एम टेलिंग दिस. तो इसको ऐसे याद करना है. प्रेजेंट इंडिफरेंट डू डज फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब SRES, पास्ट इंडिफरेंट फर्स्ट वर्ब सेकंड फॉर्म विद डिड के साथ फर्स्ट फॉर्म, फ्यूचर इंडिफरेंट विल शैल फर्स्ट फॉर्म, प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूअस इज एम आर, पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस वाज वेयर, फ्यूचर कंटिन्यूअस विल बी शैल बी, ऑल थ्री कंटेन्स ing फॉर्म. कितना वक्त लग रहा है? हाउ मच टाइम्स? ओनली विद इन अ फ्यू सेकंड यू कैन एक्सप्लेन. तो आई होप द बिगेस्ट topic of your grammar portion, the soul, the base of grammar is clear now. Now ready for the work. Okay, first of all we will discuss some question answer, class work, exercise. Then after I will give you the homework, and as much as exercise you will solve, you will make yourself perfect, not to anyone. So I hope, I trust you will solve much exercises. Okay, Thank you. Have a nice day.